Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F91 error. So what is this error and what can you do about it? Can you get rid of it? So first of all, what is the F91 error code? So the F91 error code is that your machine has a load recognition sensor, and it tells whether you have more stuff to clean in the machine or less stuff to clean in the machine, and by that it adjusts the amount of water and the amount of water that it needs to heat, and so the amount of electricity that it needs to use and everything like that. And if you're getting this F91, that's because there's an error in that, and it's not able to detect the size of the load in order to adjust the amount of water and electricity and stuff like that. So why that's happening, this is not a localized error that you can say it's here, it's here, it's here. You're just probably going to have to call a technician to come and check it out. But before you spend money and time and everything doing that, I would recommend you do a hard reset on the machine. So just like a computer that is acting funny and you don't know why, and just restarting it can sometimes make it work again. The same thing happens with these modern machines. So if you just turn it off, unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker, at the circuit, and leave it off for a full minute, and then turn it back on and see if that clears the error out. And hopefully it does. And if it doesn't, you might need to call a technician to come in and take a closer look at everything that's going on in there. So anyways, I hope this helped at least figure out what's going on. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.